Sudan's Army Chief General Abdel Fattah al-Burhan has announced a unilateral ceasefire on the first day of the Muslim Eid al-Adha holiday. In a televised address on Tuesday, Burhan also called on young men to defend the country either at home or by joining the armed forces. During the speech, Burhan said that the conspiracy requires everyone to be awake and ready to respond to the existential threats to our country. The ceasefire announcement comes after Burhan's rival and head of the Sudanese paramilitary rapid support force, General Mohammed Hamdan Dagalo, commonly known as Hemedti, declared a 2-day unilateral ceasefire in its battle against the army. We are declaring a unilateral ceasefire except for self-defense situations on the eve of Eid and on the day of Eid al-Adha, the RSF chief said on Monday in an audio recording posted on Facebook. Hemedti expressed hope the Eid holiday would provide an opportunity for reconciliation among the Sudanese people. Acknowledging the challenging humanitarian conditions caused by the war, he said, "We hope to emerge from the war more united and stronger." Fighting raged in Khartoum on Tuesday after paramilitaries seized Khartoum's main police base, and the fighting between al-Burhan and General Mohammed Hamdan Dagalo's paramilitary rapid support forces appears to be concentrated around military compounds. Elsewhere, also on Tuesday, the UN said that the conflict was worsening to alarming levels in the west of the country in Darfur. The organization also said the violence in Sudan was likely to drive more than 1 million refugees out of the African country by October. Elsewhere in the country, new fronts have opened against the army from a local rebel group in South Kordofan state, south of the capital, as well as in Blue Nile state on the border with Ethiopia. Several failed ceasefire initiatives have been announced since the conflict broke out on April 15, with the warring parties accusing each other of violating the agreements. In recent days, fighting has intensified after a series of ceasefire deals agreed at talks led by US and Saudi Arabia in Jeddah failed to stick. The International Organization for Migration has estimated the conflict has displaced almost 2 million people internally and more than 600,000 have fled to the neighboring countries. A record 25 million people, more than half the country's population, are in need of aid and protection, according to the UN, which said it has revised only a fraction of the necessary funding.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.